Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Fort Wayne, where we talk all things outdoor living. I'm with Tough Deck Builders Fort Wayne, and today we're going to dig into what it really takes to plan an outdoor kitchen on your deck or patio. A lot of homeowners picture an outdoor kitchen as a bigger grill with a countertop and maybe a fridge. But from a builder's point of view, an outdoor kitchen is a heavy, high-use, high-heat zone. That means the structure under it and the layout around it have to be planned carefully, not guessed at. First, let's talk about location. If your home's back door walks out onto a raised deck, you might be tempted to drop a full outdoor kitchen right outside the door. Sometimes that works, but we need to look at the framing under that area. Built-in grills, stone or masonry surrounds, and long countertop runs add a lot of weight in a small footprint. In many cases, that's better supported on a concrete patio or a reinforced section of deck that's designed for it from day one. On patios, the load is spread over the ground, and we can plan thicker concrete, better base prep, and proper drainage so the kitchen area stays stable. On decks, we may need additional beams, more posts, and sometimes a different joist layout to carry the extra load safely. That's why you don't want to add a big outdoor kitchen as an afterthought on a deck that was never designed for it. Next, let's think about layout. The outdoor kitchen needs clear paths around it. You want space for a person to cook without people constantly bumping into them. You also want separation between hot surfaces and main traffic routes, especially if kids are around. That means planning where the grill goes, where the prep space goes, and where people will sit or walk while food is being cooked. Utilities are another big piece. Gas lines, electrical circuits, and sometimes water and drain lines all need to be thought through early. Running these under a deck or through a patio is much easier before the surface goes down. Doing it later often means cutting into finished work. We also have to plan venting and clearance around built-in grills so heat and smoke go where they're supposed to go, not into railings, siding, or roof structures. Material choice around the kitchen zone matters too. Composite decking from brands like TimberTech can be a good option near outdoor kitchens because it handles moisture and everyday wear better than bare wood, and it doesn't need staining. But we still need to be careful with direct heat and grease. Grill mats, proper spacing, and sometimes mixing in non-combustible surfaces right under and around the main cooking equipment are smart moves. In short, an outdoor kitchen is a small construction project sitting on top of your main project. When it's planned right, it becomes a strong, useful part of your deck or patio. When it's bolted on with no planning, it can overload the structure or damage materials over time. If you're thinking about adding an outdoor kitchen as part of your backyard renovation, talk to a builder who understands both structure and finishing. At Tough Deck Builders Fort Wayne, we design decks and patios with outdoor kitchens in mind from the start, so you don't end up redoing work later. You can reach us at 260-254-7979 or visit toughdeckbuildersfortwayne.com to talk through your ideas. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Fort Wayne. A solid outdoor kitchen starts with a solid plan underneath it. We'll see you on the next episode.